Welcome back, queens and kings, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. In today's video, I will be doing 3 different Valentine Day decor ideas. If you all would like to see how I created each one, please continue to watch. Queens and kings, so here is a list of the items that I will be using, which is 2 of Dollar Tree foam hearts, a bunch of their flowers, white flowers, whatever your choice is, their galvanized wording decor, a round metal tray, as well as some craft foam, and I will be using this Rust-Oleum gold spray paint from Walmart. So what I'm going to do now is take the hearts outside and spray paint everything that I wanted to be spray painted, as well as the wording in the tray, and I will be back. All right, queens and kings, so instead of that block foam, I decided to go with the round foam because it was much better for the project that I'm going to do. And these as well came from the Dollar Tree. So I have 2 that, well, 2 come in a package, and I'm just going to glue those both down on top of the tray. And I did just spray the outside of the tray from the wind blowing. That's why it looked like I sprayed the entire tray, but I didn't. It just blew it all over the tray. So this is it. This is how they turned out. And I didn't get a chance to spray paint the back, but I would do that off camera. And I went ahead and stuck these little dowels in as well on each one. So what I'm going to do first is take my, so basically I'm just placing them where I would like for my heart foams to stand at, and I'm just going to place some hot glue down to secure them, so therefore it doesn't move. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the white flowers that I have already pre-cut off of the stem, and I'm just going to start forming them in around on the white foam, and which is, you guys can see now the reason why I picked the white foam, because the flowers are white, so if I have any space you won't see it too much, but it actually also is round. Okay, so I got them, but I have these 2 flowers as well. One I already done cut short, and one is long. I got these actually from Michael's, and it was $1.99 each. You guys didn't get to see these in haul because I actually forgot to show them. So, but I want to put a rose in like this, and put one in this area. Okay, so I do have the little X and O, and I just have a piece of a stem off of the flowers, the roses there. And I'm just going to glue this on the back just to like give it something it can stand up on, and then I'll show you guys the finished look. All right, queens and kings. So here is my little gorgeous double heart centerpiece, which I totally love. You guys know that I love, and it is my color, my theme this year, mixed in with my blue. So now we're gonna move on to Dollar Tree, well, not Dollar Tree, Target Dollar Spot little DIY, where I'm actually using some candle holders, tea light candle holders that I got from Target. These was $1 each. I show you guys a different kind in the haul, but I'm gonna go with these because I want more of the taper candle look. And then I have some Dollar Tree gems or bling or whatever you want to call it, as well as the Target Dollar Spot little mimosas glasses. Now I do have to tell you guys this here, these glasses are very thin. I actually broke one after the video, after I did the filming and editing and everything, so I was really bummed about that. But all I'm gonna do is just use these pack of gems to fill up in each one. But you can find these same glasses at the Dollar Tree, but I wasn't able to find any at the Dollar Tree. That was the reason why I went for the ones at the Target Dollar Spot. So, but the Dollar Tree does sell these glasses, or you can use any type of glass that you want to use. You don't have to use these little glasses here. So we're going to fill it all up, and after that we're just going to place some hot glue on the top rim of it. So if you want this to be a permanent hole, a permanent bond, use some E6000 to do this part here, the portion here where I'm putting the taper candle holders on top of it. Which I like this look. I really do like this look, just as elegant as it look here. But we got to move on and add more to it. You guys know I am a DIY queen of glam, so therefore we're going to add some glam as well. And as you guys can see here, that's what I did. I put some of the little bling wrap around the taper candle holder just to secure the part where the taper candle holder and the glass meet. But I love the way that they turned out. So now moving on to the last and final DIY, which is DIY number 3, which is our XO frame heart or picture frames or whatever you would like to call it. I'm not sure what I want to call it. But I have these little foam craft hearts here that I got from Walmart. And I'm actually gonna use these, but I'm gonna take the red out and I'm gonna spray paint them and glitter them out, which I would do that part off camera. But as you guys can see, I have my hot glue gun and these stickers here. I was gonna use these in the beginning, but I'm not gonna use these in the beginning. I'm gonna show you guys that clip of them pretty soon. But I do have 4 of these mirror picture frames or frames, mirrors, I don't know. They came from the Dollar Tree, I don't know, but I like the look of them because they have like this ornate look on it. But yeah, a pair of scissors as well as my little Glamorous bling script, a wrap, whatever, which you can find at Hobby Lobby as well. So once I get them all laid out how I want them, but be careful to make sure that the stand is up, all of them going the right way, which I'll be showing you guys pretty soon when I'm checking on the back there. So be sure to do that because you don't want it upside down. Okay, so I'm sitting here trying to figure out what I'm gonna write out or spell out with these letters, but I noticed I didn't have enough, so I went and got these little letters here. And these came from the Dollar Tree as well. I had these in my little stash, my little craft stash or whatever I have. But I'm gonna do XOXO because that is more of my theme that I have going around my house. I was gonna do love, but I didn't want to do love. But the reason the XO is because I can break it up. The word love, I got to keep it all together if I want to put it in a certain spot and the space is not big enough. So I decided to go with XO. So the first 2 mirror frames, I'm going to place the X's on there. And based on here, I'm trying to show you guys how I'm lining it up, which I'm going off the center mark of the frames to be able to place my X's in the middle of the frame. Which I love these letters here. I really do love these. I really do love these. So for the other 2 picture frames, I'm going to do the hearts. Now the hearts, I'm going to actually take outside, like I said before, and spray paint them gold and glitter them out, which I'm showing you guys here. I could have used the white ones, but I wanted to use the red ones because I think I'm going to use the white one for another DIY. So I'm going to take these outside and do that, but I'm going to do that part off camera. So now moving on to the gorgeous bling script or wrap or whatever you want to call it. Rhinestone, I don't know. I think Hobby Lobby say rhinestone, but they do sell it in Hobby Lobby. You can find some on Amazon as well. I will try to link those down below. Definitely the ones from Amazon, because I have purchased some from Amazon before. And I'm just going to do the outlines of the mirror frames, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to do 2 of them, and the other 2 I will not do. Right, Queens and Kings, so here's the last one, and I love it. Okay, Queens and Kings, so that is it for my easy and simple and affordable DIYs for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all in the next video. You guys continue to be royal. Bye-bye.